This is the iconic suite. This is the top cabin on the Celebrity Beyond. You can even exercise in your own cabin. Plenty of space here. You have your own outside deck. Day beds, chairs, lounge chairs, your own hot tub, tables and chairs. You never have to leave the iconic suite. Beautiful ocean views. So not only is this a 2-bedroom suite, it can connect to a royal suite to make it a 3-bedroom suite. Perfect for a large family or 3 couples traveling together. So this is the 2nd bedroom. You have access to your balcony out over here. You don't have access, excuse me. This is the bathroom for the 2nd bedroom in this iconic suite. Nice big large sink with 2 sink heads. Walk-in shower, rainforest shower as well as handheld, bathroom amenities. This is the butler entrance, so the butler will not disturb you. The butler will enter in here. Your beverages, coffee station, butler's pantry, so he will not disturb you. And this is how we are entering the iconic suite master bedroom. All ocean view. They have curtains that do shut, so you can have total darkness when you're sleeping. You have your makeup table there, your cashmere bedding with Excel mattress. And then we're going to go into the master bathroom. These doors will close. Beautiful backlit mirrors with your sink, your jacuzzi, walk-in shower with bathroom amenities, your 2nd sink, your toilet and bidet. This is the iconic suite on the Celebrity Beyond.